If you live in Canada and you feel lost about all the information out there, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand what is a TFSA in simple words, why I chose a S&P 500 called VFV, and exactly how to invest your first $100 using Wealthsimple. Hi, my name is Larissa, and in this channel I help beginners in Canada to start investing with simple and practical videos. My goal is to make investing feel less scary and more easy, especially if English is not your first language or if you are starting from zero like I did. So before we jump into the tutorial, I want to be honest with you. I had a lot of trouble trying to invest in Canada. I spent so much time watching videos, reading articles, and studying a lot of things that I thought that I should know. But there was so much information there that in the end of the day, I was getting more and more confused, and I never actually started investing. I always felt like I had to know everything before taking the first step, but I never knew exactly which account I should have, which stock I should invest. So then I always did the same thing, nothing. So if you feel like that, you're not alone. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to show you a basic strategy that actually works and the simplest way I found to start investing in Canada. I truly believe this can help you to finally take action. So let's start with TFSA, because that's the foundation of everything we are doing today. TFSA stands for Tax-Free Savings Account, but the name is a little bit confusing because that's not a regular savings account. Inside the TFSA, you can hold investments like ETFs, stocks, and more. And the most important thing is the money you invest inside your TFSA account can grow tax-free. That means that if you invest $100 today and this money becomes $200, $500, or $5,000, you don't pay tax on that growth. I'm gonna make another video going deeper into the contribution room and how to check in yours, but here's what I want you to focus on today. You don't need to fill your TFSA to start, and you can totally begin with $100 or less just to learn the process of investing. Now that you understand the basic idea, let's go to the practical part. I'm going to open the Wealthsimple app on my phone, and I'm going to show you every step so you can follow along with me. If you wanted to use the same platform that I'm using right now, I'm going to put in the description the link of the Wealthsimple app where you can click and create your account. That's the platform I use into my personal Canadian investments because it's very easy and it's very beginner friendly. If this is your first time watching this video, just stay here with me so you can understand the whole process, because at the end of the video I'm gonna talk more about how you can open your Wealthsimple account. So now we are inside of our Wealthsimple app and we have to open our TFSA account. As soon as we open our TFSA account, we go to add money from, so you can choose from where you wanted to send your money for your TFSA account. Today we're gonna put $100, click in next, submit, and done. Now you have your $100 inside your TFSA account. A lot of people, they think that they just need to put the money inside of TFSA accounts and the money are gonna start to grow, but that's not true because the TFSA account is not a regular savings account. When you put your money inside the TFSA account and you want your money to grow, you have to invest on stocks or ETF. If you go to options, you can see a lot of options where you can start to invest your money. For today, we just click and start trading, and you can see that we have stocks, ETFs, crypto, and other options. Let's search for VFV. If you don't know what is a VFV, VFV is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, which is an index of 500 of the biggest companies of the United States. So think about big companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Apple. Instead of you need to search about each of these company and choose in which one you would put your money, when you buy a VFV, you just buy a tiny single piece of all this company just in one ETF. For beginners, usually that's the easiest way to start because you get instant diversification. You don't have to search about 50 companies, and you can start investing a small amount of money. Like today, we're going to start investing $100. Of course, that is still investing, so it's always gonna have a risk. Your money can go up and down, but for simple and long-term strategy, I like to put the VFV inside my TFSA. So let's come back to that. And inside of the VFV, you can see the whole information. We can see that today the bid is $165.77. Now you're going to tap buy. And here you can choose between buy one share, or also you can buy a fraction of the share. You don't have to buy the whole share. So let's put that we want to buy $100 in VFV. And now you can see that with $100, you can buy 0.6032 shares. Click in review and submit the order. Now you just invested your first $100 and you click on done, and now you can see the whole details about your investment. Also, if you want to buy more VFV, you can click in trades and then you can click in buy and you do the whole process again. Or if you want to sell your VFV, you just click in sell VFV and you go there and you can click in max, or you can put the amount of money you want to share. You go to review and submit order. So that's the way you can also sell your VFV. If you need more time in any of the steps that we did together, just pause the video, then you can copy what I'm doing, and then you click and play again. So you can see that this is a very simple process. Once you can do it one time, after that, it's gonna be so much easier to you do it over and over again. The hardest part is usually the fear of your first investment. So now you're ready to the next steps. I really hope this video helps you to take your first step and actually start investing. If you don't have $100 right now, just start with $10. I think the goal in the beginning is not to get rich fast. I think the goal in the beginning is you learn the process and also change your mindset about money. Little by little, you stop to see money as something to just spend. You start to see money as a tool to build your future. If this video made investing feels a little less complicated, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. That's helped me a lot. Also, tell me in the comments, have you ever felt overwhelmed by so much investing information that you didn't even know where to start? I want to know about it. And if you're thinking, Larissa, that's great, but I don't even have a Wealthsimple account yet, don't worry. I made a full step-by-step tutorial where I show you how to open a Wealthsimple account from scratch on your phone. Click on this video right here on the screen and watch the video so you can set up your account, and then you come back to this video and we can invest together. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.